Hi everyone, it's Roxy, and you know I love all things planner related, and right now bullet journals are just so much fun if you want to express your creativity. So I got this bamboo bullet journal on Amazon and it's so luxurious. The wooden cover is actually made from real bamboo, so it's very durable, and the paper is also made from bamboo. It's 160 GSM, so it's really thick, which makes it great for bullet journaling since ink from markers and paints won't bleed through, as you will see in this video. I'll have it linked down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Okay, so I am going to share with you 3 easy spreads that you can try out if you're looking for some inspiration when it comes to bullet journaling. So a few videos back, I shared a DIY watercolor cacti tutorial, which I will link in so you can see how I did these. So now I'm just cutting them out to make my own stickers, which I'm going to glue to the bottom of the page so it creates a really nice border. This is a great way to create your own stickers on a budget. Once you have your pretty little cacti border, take brown paper or craft paper and rip a piece. So I actually used a brown paper bag, which works just as fine. Ripped brown paper has become such a trend in bullet journals, so I think it matches perfectly with the cacti. Just trim one side of the torn paper so it will be straight when you stick it to make the top border. It was a little shorter than a page, so I just ended up sticking some cacti to it. That's the fun part of bullet journaling. You absolutely don't have to be perfect at all. So I decided that this was a nice monthly cover spread, so I wrote in the month, but I didn't end up liking it, so you'll see I changed it soon. Fill in the dates, and a nice little touch is to highlight the actual days of the week with a marker or a highlighter. To fix that little mistake I made, I tore a little piece of the brown craft paper and then just redid it. I absolutely love how this spread turned out. It's so simple and just a really nice idea for a monthly cover page. The pages in this bamboo bullet journal are really smooth and they're actually numbered so you can keep a track of your spreads. You also get 240 pages, which is quite a lot compared to other bullet journals, so it will definitely last you a really long time. The next spread is using leftover gift paper. I had this Starry Night gift paper which I love so much, so I saved it to use for something like this. You're going to tear the paper to create that beautiful torn paper effect and stick it to the top and the bottom of your page. This is one of the easiest layouts that you can try in a bullet journal. Using torn gift paper gives such an artistic effect without having to overthink your spread. In the space between, you can do another monthly layout or write a list, which is what I did. There are so many things you can write down to fill the space between, like a poem, journal entry, or even a Polaroid picture will look really cute there. So if you really aren't sure where to start when it comes to bullet journaling, this is the perfect spread for you, and you probably have some gift paper lying around your house that you can try it with. For the last spread, I'll be using these markers from Arteza, which I will link down below, and I used it to create some wildflowers. So let me just say I am not an artist at all, so this is me really drawing whatever comes to my mind. The markers did not bleed through the pages at all, which was perfect because, like I mentioned before, they are really thick. You won't have to worry about anything bleeding through this paper if you are drawing or painting directly in the bullet journal. I have been loving yellow and shades of orange because they are so bright and really make your spread pop. Again, with bullet journaling, you don't have to be perfect, so I didn't stress too much over the wildflowers. I also added these abstract dots and lines randomly through the spread just to try something different. A quote is a great idea for a spread, so I put one that I really liked in the middle. And again, I don't know what it is with me, I didn't like how the word planted looked, so I did the brown paper effect again, which was actually really great with the vibe of the spread. At the top of the page, I did flowers again, and I just love how feel good this spread makes me feel. When I turn the page, you'll see that none of the markers printed out, so yay. Okay, so those were my 3 spreads. Let me know what you think about these, and don't forget that the bamboo bullet journal is linked down below, so you can go ahead and check it out. And if you try any of these layouts, definitely share it with me on the gram because I would love to see how they turned out. Don't forget to thumbs this video up and subscribe because it really supports my channel and lets me know you're enjoying the content I'm creating. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.